Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save colors on the new Dress to Impress UI. So to do that, you are just going to select your color here in the wheel section. For instance, I have this on right now. Okay, so for instance, it's purple. You're just going to press the plus button to save color, and to delete it, just press that. It's as simple as that. If you want to wear it, just make sure you have this disabled, or else you'll accidentally delete your color like this. So make sure you have it off, and then you'll be able to select the colors again. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.